International HRM is the process of employing and managing people in multinational or transnational organizations. International HRM means working across national boundaries to formulate and implement strategies, policies, and practices, which can be applied to an international workforce. HR issues have influence on the strategic management of multinational organizations. For example, the choice of base for foreign operations, the decision of whether to set up a foreign subsidiary, or the decision whether to enter a joint venture or strategic alliance with foreign partners, might be influenced by a number of HR factors. These decisions are influenced by HR factors such as labor costs, skills availability, employment laws, employment relationships, industrial relations culture, and trade union power. There are 3 HR recruitment options available to multinational companies. One option is to fill up key positions with nationals of parent company. For example, a U.S. multinational transfers its U.S. employees to key positions in a foreign subsidiary in India. This strategy alienates the opportunity for local employees based in India. Sometimes the expatriates may find it difficult to adjust to the new environment and culture in a foreign country. But this strategy facilitates the transfer of the distinctive culture and practices of the parent company to the overseas. Another recruitment option for multinational companies is to fill key positions with local nationals, although overall control is still retained by senior leadership in the parent country. For example, a U.S. multinational has its subsidiary in Italy and it recruits within Italy to fill up key positions. Since locals are recruited in key positions, this strategy may increase cooperation between local management team and parent country's management. Moreover, this strategy avoids long and bureaucratic process related to expatriate employment. Third and final strategy for a multinational company is to fill up key positions by recruiting the best available people, regardless of their nationality. For example, a U.S. multinational may even recruit a German to manage its UK subsidiary. This strategy develops genuine cross-cultural experience. But this strategy is difficult to implement since it requires strong corporate culture, communication, and coordination.